Alright, today is April 16th. We're heading to Home Depot. I am doing like a grocery store challenge. This isn't a grocery store. I hope this doesn't count. I need soil to plant some seeds. So this Home Depot is near my house. The hours are usually like 9 to like 9 at night. They changed it from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. As you can see, they like carted it off where to have a queue where you can go in. There's only one entrance to go in, and then you either exit out to the right down here where normally the contractors go, or you can exit through the garden area. So this is new. I haven't seen it like this. And the parking lot was pretty full. I was surprised. I really didn't think there was going to be anyone at Home Depot, but there was. It was pretty full. I don't know how many people are allowed in the store at one time. It's like the government orders. It depends on square footage, etc. So I don't know that I saw anyone counting the people. So I'm not exactly for sure how that works at this Home Depot. I've heard of stores limiting how many people can go in, but I have yet to see it myself. So anyway, we're going into this Home Depot. Like I said, I need soil. The state of Missouri is not restricting the sale of seeds. I have heard of other states like Vermont and Michigan are not allowing the sale of seeds, which I think is ridiculous. Like, why can't those states buy seeds? It's just ridiculous. I have actually ordered a bunch of seeds online because I really didn't want to go to the store, but I used up all my potting soil, and so we're going to get some more potting soil. I just wanted to look at the cleaning supplies real quick. I don't need any, but I was just curious to see how the shelves are, and so that's what we're doing first. Robert's pushing the cart. Oh, and the other thing I noticed, he's looking at lawnmowers. The other thing I noticed was they did not have any disinfectant wipes for the carts like I've seen at other places, so that was disappointing. But we have hand sanitizer in our car, so we always put hand sanitizer on before we leave. And so this is just the cleaning supplies. I don't know where they keep their paper towels and toilet paper. I don't need any, so I didn't look. I should have. It would have been curious to see how those shelves looked, but I'm assuming they have no toilet paper. No one has toilet paper. That's why I'm so glad I stocked up. I have toilet paper. And so anyway, just looking at the cleaning supplies, the reason we look at a lawnmower is because we got rid of our lawnmower when we moved to this new house, and we have been paying a service to mow our yard. It's pretty decently priced, and we can't decide if we want to mow our yard ourselves. But when you break down the cost with the cost of the mowers and gas and fuel and maintenance, it's cheaper for us to pay a service. That's why we look at the price of the mower. And so yeah, we are keeping with our mower guy. He's pretty cheap. He's only charging us $25 a week. I know a lot of other lawn care companies are more expensive, but it literally takes 5 minutes to mow our yard. So anyway, looking at plants, I'm always on the hunt for lavender. It's my favorite plant. Unfortunately, our last house, I left all the lavender plants behind. I really wish I would have dug them up and brought them home with me. I keep trying to grow lavender from seeds. It's not working. At my old house, I had bought some half-grown plants at, I don't know, Walmart or store. I got them somewhere, and they come back every single year, and I love drying lavender. And like I said, I wish I would have grabbed them from the old house. I just can't. I've been at this house for 3 years now, and I keep trying to grow seeds every year, and they just don't germinate. It's just not working. So anyway, Robert's looking at the pots of soil. We are just doing container soil. He's touching them because like a lot of them are pretty hard, and so he's trying to find a bag that's not like too hard. So anyway, my backyard is pretty shady except for the deck, which is funny. The deck is like full sun, but the rest of the yard is shady. So we're going to try to grow a bunch of stuff in pots on our deck this year, and so that's why we're getting the potting soil. It's pretty cold still, and so I'm going to start the seeds inside the house, and then once they get a couple inches high, I will replant them for pots on the deck. So it's just something I want to try this year. My dad usually has a big garden, but I don't really want to drive 45 minutes to his house every time I want a zucchini. So I am going to try this year and see how it works. I might do a video on it. I don't have the best green thumb. I'm not the best at growing stuff, but I'm going to give it a try. Why not? Let's see. So yeah, here's just me looking at the plants again. So I'm extremely happy that Missouri is not one of the states that restricted on what people can buy. I hate reading the stories about all these nurseries having to throw their plants away because they're not allowed to sell them. I just think that's ridiculous. I think plants and seeds should be considered a necessity. I think growing your own food should be considered a necessity, so if people want to. We're also, right now, Robert's looking at some seed. We have some bare spots in the backyard, so, but that bag's $50, so he's like, I'll get a smaller bag. We just have a couple small spots that we want to seed and maybe grow some grass. So, alright, 4 bags of potting soil and 1 bag of easy grass seed. So again, I know I'm wearing a mask. My husband is not. He just forgot his mask. So for anyone who's going to be like, he should wear a mask, sorry, he's not. He forgot it at home. And in Missouri, in the store, people are 50-50. 50% are wearing masks, 50% are not. And my husband didn't get near anyone, so you know what? It's his prerogative. I'm wearing a mask. My husband's a big boy. He can do what he wants. So, oh, and then he's showing me this tree. It's a money tree. I wish those things really did grow money. Life would be so much better. So, yeah, I'm kind of jealous of all these people getting these stimulus checks. Me and my husband will not be getting a stimulus check. We make too much money. Well, not this year. This year is not doing good. But they're basing it on your previous year taxes, and 2018 was a really good year for us. We have not filed our 2019, so unfortunately, based on our 2018 taxes, we made too much money to get a stimulus check. This year, we're not doing that good because of this whole pandemic and the economy. We could use that stimulus check, but unfortunately, the government is not basing it on current needs. They're basing it on past needs. So no stimulus check for us. And just looking at more plants. I also went online to see if we could do anything about the fact that this year, if they based it on 2019 taxes, I don't know, we probably wouldn't qualify either. It just sucks. Sorry. 2020, we definitely are not doing as well as we did in 2018. So just a fact. That's how life is, but that's okay. We plan for emergencies like this, so we're doing good. We're doing fine, but you know, who wouldn't like free money? I wish we were getting a stimulus check, but we're not. So if you look to the right, these are normally where you check out, so they have them all blocked off. They're definitely hurting us down to the end where the contractors normally check out. So, oh yeah, back there for a second when I was going on my stimulus rant, Robert was looking at leaf blowers. $300. Okay, so yeah, we're not getting a leaf blower. I will keep raking leaves. So yeah, this place is very, very busy. And I also just got back from the post office, and the post office was really busy. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I see tons of people out, so no one wants to stay home. So I don't blame them. I'm getting stir crazy too. But I would not go to the post office if I didn't have to. I have packages that have to be shipped out every day. I have to go to the post office. The people who are just mailing one envelope, I don't necessarily think they had to go to the post office, but you know what? I'm not one to tell people what to do. Everyone has to live their own life. So here's cases of water right here. And then I also saw a pallet of paper towels sitting in the middle, but no toilet paper. Let's see. So this guy is scanning for us. It's usually self-checkout, so I don't know. I guess he wants to keep busy. He can scan the potting soil for us. So yeah, that's Home Depot. I don't know if I showed you the seeds. That they definitely did have tons of seeds, but I've already bought mine online. So yeah, I'm going to go home and plant my seeds in my little containers, put it on underneath some indoor lights, and hopefully they will actually grow, unlike my lavender. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you guys later.